Here are the top uses of vinegar in the garden. Number 1. Kill weeds. Using vinegar is a very effective and non-toxic way to eliminate weeds in your garden or from the crevices of the walkway. To kill them, simply spray the place with pure white vinegar. Also, adding salt to the vinegar may be more effective in this process. Number 2. Repel bugs and insects. White vinegar is the best organic insecticide. Spray some white vinegar on your plants in order to repel insects. The liquid will keep them away from your garden. Number 3. Keep your garden flowers longer. If you want to enjoy the cut flowers for long, you can make your own feed for your flowers. Just add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a 1-quart vase of water to your flowers. Trim the stems of the flowers and change this solution about every 5 days or as needed. Number 4. Repel ants. It's an effective method to eradicate ants. Mix equal amounts of water and vinegar, white or apple cider, and spray the solution on the ant hills in your garden. The ants don't like the strong scent of vinegar. This also applies when used in the home too. Number 5. Use as a fertilizer. Fertilizer your potted plants and purify the water by adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to 1 gallon of water before you water your potted plants. Number 6. Keep common pets out of your garden. Animals that love to get in your garden, like raccoons, rabbits, moles, rodents, deer, and the like, also happen to hate the smell of vinegar, so it will keep them out naturally without causing them harm. All you have to do is soak a few rags in your apple cider vinegar and place them strategically throughout your garden. Re-soak them once a week to ensure they retain their maximum effectiveness. Number 7. Fight fungus. If your plants don't grow well or have dark spots on their stems and leaves, they're probably dealing with a fungus or mold. White vinegar will help you get rid of these. Add 2 teaspoons of vinegar to brewed chamomile tea. Spray the mixture on your plants and watch them become more vivid. Roses require a different technique. Add 3 tablespoons of cider vinegar to 4 liters of water. Spray your roses to get rid of the fungus.